Renishaw has been at the forefront of the precision measurement industry for over 40 years. We're experts in metrology, complex motion control, healthcare, spectroscopy, and additive manufacturing. We use our own products during the design, manufacture and testing of our Raman systems. This ensures the highest levels of performance and sensitivity. Our extensive manufacturing facilities enable us to produce almost everything ourselves, from our own machine parts to electronics and software. Our range of Raman systems provides reliable and repeatable analytical information across a diverse range of fields and applications. Renishaw invests heavily in research and development so we can help surgeons perform life-changing medical procedures. Manufacturers build the cars of the future, and scientists make groundbreaking discoveries. Our precision measurement technologies help us to manufacture reliable, high-performance products, and our customers to achieve high-quality results consistently. Speak to us and discover the benefits of having a Raman made by Renishaw.